Phoenix 911, where's your emergency?
It's at East Beardsley. I'm not there right now. I'm at the gas station, but,
Okay, and you're at the gas station? What happened?
Yeah, I just left the car. He's trying to kill himself. I don't know, but he's just...
Okay, we'll get some help out there. Is that a house or an apartment? Okay, is there a number?
Can you just send an ambulance and not the police? Because he's like crazy right now.
Well, what is he doing to himself, or what's going on? First of all, is it a lot number?
He's taking a bat to his head and to his body, like legs and arms.
Himself?
And then he has a cord around his neck, and I took the cord off once, and then he's just I don't know, but I think if the cops show up there, I think if the cops show up there, it's not gonna be good for. I don't think it's gonna go good.
Any weapons there?
Yes, maybe. Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Yes.
Okay, does he have a gun there? Just if he does, say yes so that we know.
Yeah, he does.
Does he have the gun out?
I don't know.
Oh my God, that's him. Oh my God, that's him.
Right here on this one?
Yep, in this Prius.
Oh, hey, come on! He's right here. Come out of the...
Oh my God!
This whole thing started last night, past midnight. Some claiming that she might have been cheating on him. And he did fire around inside the home. And we were hoping PD would respond yesterday, but apparently they haven't got a call. And today, he did try to put a phone cord around his neck, trying to kill himself. And he also mentioned that he is willing to go out in the shootout with PD if they do respond. Yes. Who is here? No, officer down.